Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of audio customization, specifically on how to enhance your Android 15 phone's audio experience with the Moto Dolby Magisk Module. This powerful module unlocks the potential of Dolby Atmos, a cutting-edge audio technology that delivers immersive, cinematic sound. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything you need: a rooted Android 15 phone, Magisk Manager or Kernel SU installed, the Moto Dolby Magisk Module. Head over to the video description and locate the download link for the Moto Dolby Magisk Module. Once the module is downloaded, open either Magisk Manager or Kernel SU within the app. Find the Modules section. In the Modules section, tap on the Install from Storage button. This will open your phone's File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to the location where you saved the Moto Dolby Magisk Module. Select the module file and tap Install. The installation process may take a few moments. After the module is successfully installed, it's crucial to reboot your device. This ensures that all the changes take effect. That's it. Once your phone restarts, you'll be greeted by the immersive sound of Dolby Atmos. To confirm that the module is working correctly, you can check your device's settings app or use a dedicated Dolby Atmos testing app. Ensure that the Moto Dolby Magisk Module is compatible with your specific device and Android version. Before making any modifications to your device, it's highly recommended to create a full backup of your data. I hope this detailed guide helps you elevate your Android 15 audio experience with the Moto Dolby Magisk Module. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.